Are you looking for the best Dewalt magnetic bit holder? In this video, we will break down the top 4 Dewalt magnetic bit holder.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. Dewalt DW2055. The superior 6-inch length of Dewalt DW2055 makes this magnetic bit holder ideal for extra long screws that shorter extensions are unable to accommodate. This holder will accept and drive up to size 10 screws, which allows driving of screws into large and tough surfaces for those projects that demand them. A self-retracting guide sleeve works well to protect your fingers from coming into contact with the rotating screw, while at the same time holding the screw in place so that it will not wobble or slip off the bit. Because this holder is made of premium metal, expect it to last for long even when continuously subjected to intensive driving applications. An issue you may encounter with this bit holder is tied to its 6-inch length. Because this accessory is extra long, you may find yourself leaning awkwardly in some sports, especially when driving drawn-out screws, such as 2-inch ones. At number 2. Dewalt DW2095. Dewalt DW2095 is a robust magnetic bit holder set that contains many accessories to boost tool versatility for your drill and drive-related projects. The set offers 2 premium magnetic drive guides. One guide drives screws up to 2 inches long, while the second drives 4-inch screws. You will find this guide reliable in intensive projects. Also included in this set are 3 square/Phillips/flathead bits to complement the versatile bit holders. With this versatile and inexpensive set, you can get started on your projects without buying any new accessories. A self-retracting clear guide sleeve offers reliable protection for your fingers while simultaneously complementing the powerful magnetic system to hold screws in place, thus eliminating the perennial problems of wobbling and slipping. Since the longer extension is made of clear plastic for enhanced visibility, the choice of material may bring its durability in question. At number 3. Dewalt DW2054. At the top of our list, we have Dewalt DW2050 for 1/4-inch magnetic bit holders. This product proves why Dewalt is as popular as a tool manufacturer. It comes with 3 high-quality magnetic bit holders that are very practical, durable set, and provide excellent value for your money. All 3 magnetic bit holders have the same standard shank size of 1/4 inch, so it fits almost all the traditional drills out there. It also has a 3-inch drive guide, which is a decent length to drill or work your way through a hard-to-reach space. This magnetic bit holder also comes with a barrel-shaped self-retracting guide sleeve that keeps your screws secured to the bit and lets you drill or drive the screws without even touching them. Overall, with the self-retracting guide sleeve standard bit size and a decent drive guide, this is one of the best bit holder for impact driver. At number 4. Dewalt DW2054 Magnetic Drive Guide. When it comes to handy tools accessory, the safety of your hands and fingers is a major concern. If it is bit holder, you must check out before buying one whether the bit holder is magnetic or not. The magnetic system will assist you for smooth operation, and it will be safe and precise to handle. No trouble you will face on your hands or fingers while operating. Dewalt makes it one step ahead when it has included some key features that will make your operation precise and smooth. It includes a self-retracting guide sleeve with the magnetic holder so that you can drill the screw down without even touching. No chance of slipping the driver, so your hands and fingers are safe and secure at work. The compact and magnetic drive guide will be your best option because Dewalt Handy Tool is an excellent solution to the 2 major problems while driving screws wobbling and slipping. Its bit is magnetic 2 times stronger than any other standard steel bit holders, and the sleeve is barrel-shaped, so it is easy to handle, and no scratches found while drilling. You can easily drill long screws, and the screws won't fall off. This is an excellent option for drilling for home applications. Hanging the drywall is a very simple and easy way for this small toolkit.